Hello students, now we are going to exercise 2.2, okay, of chapter 2 fraction. These questions are very simple. This is multiply, this is called numerator and this is called denominator, okay. So 7 by 11 multiplied by 3 by 5, so we write 7 by 11 into 3 by 5. Here there is no cancellation, so we multiply simply numerator with numerator and denominator to denominator, okay. So 7 3 is 21 by 11 5 is 55, okay. Here question number 4. Here this question is given in mixed fraction, so at first we convert it into improper fraction. So 8 3 is 24 plus 1, 25 by 8 by 11 4 is 44 plus 10 means 54 by 11, okay. So we multiplied this. Here we cancel these two. 2 4 is 8, 2 7. Always remember the cancellation of any fraction are diagonally this way or upward vertical, okay. These are the cancellation rule, okay. Don't cancel like this, okay. Now when 25 multiplied with 27 it comes 675 by 4 11 44, so we convert it again in mixed fraction, okay. Now question number 2 is simple, so I do question 3, okay. Question 3 is simplify 12 by 25 into 15 by 28 into 35 by 36, okay. So here the table of 12, otherwise you can use small tables like 2 4 3, okay, but here I use table of 12. 12 1 is 12, 12 3 is 36, okay. Now here 5 1 is 5 3 is 15, 5 5 is 25, okay. 3 3 also cancel. 5 1 is 5, 5 7 is 35 and 7 4 is. So the result is in the numerator 1 and in denominator 4. The result is 1 by 4. Now this is another question. 2 and 2 by 17 into 7 and 2 by 9 into 1 and 33 by 52, okay. So we convert it into improper fraction first. So 17 2 is 34 to 36, 7 9 is 63 to 65 by 9. Here 52 1 is 52 and 33 85 by 52, okay. Now we can cancel this, okay. So the table of 17 1 is 17, 17 5 is 85, okay. Here use the table of 13 4 is 52, 13 5 is 65. Here 4 9 is 36, 9 9 also cancel, so the result is in numerator 25 and denominator 1. So there is no value of in denominator and 1, so write here 25 simply, okay. Now question number 4. Find 1 by 2 of 4 and 2 by 9. So we convert it into improper fraction. 9 4 is 36 to 38 by 9, okay. So 1 by 2 into 38 by 9. Here we cancel 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 19 times, okay. So 19 by 2 we convert it again in mixed fraction, okay. So 2 and 1 by 9. Now question number 3. 2 by 3 of 9 by 16. So 2 by 3 into 9 by 16. Here we cancel 3 3s are 9. Here 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are. So result is 3 by 8. Okay. Now question is 5. Which is greater, 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7? So firstly we convert 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 means here we cancel 2 1 is 2, 3 is 6. So 3 by 7 and 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 means 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. We cancel 3 3 simply. So we get 2 by 7. Now and both the denominators are same. So whose numerator is greater? 3 by 7. So 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. From where 3 by 7 comes? It comes from this. So 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater than 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 because 2 by 7 comes from this. Okay. Now here also multiplication in question number 6. 7 by 11 of 330. Okay. So you can use the table of 11. 11 1 is 11. 11 3 is right here 1 0. So 7 3 is 7 7 multiplied with 30. It comes 210. Okay. Now 1 by 12 of an hour. 1 by 12 into 1 hour. 1 hour means how many minutes? 60 minutes. So we write this when it cancel 12 1 is 12, 12 5 is 60. So 1 by 12 of an hour means 5 minutes. Okay, the result is 5 minutes. Now question number 8. 5 by 6 of a day. So 5 by 6 into 1 day. 1 day means how many hours? 24 hours. So here we cut 6 1 is 6, 6 4 is 24. So 5 into 4. 5 into 4 is 20 hours. Okay.